When we last left our crime fighters, they faced almost certain destruction in front of the Tube of Doom.
Quick, bad dude, do something. I can't take any more of this.
Hang on, old chum. I'll try to get you out of this as soon as I get my hands untied. If I can just get into my utility track pants, I can save us. Ah, there. Are you okay,
Yeah,
Budgie?
I'm all right. How did you destroy the TV set?
I used one of my anti-TV disruptor pills.
Holy headache!
Quick, Budgie, to the dude-mobile.
Boy, we were sure lucky to get out of that predicament, Bat Dude.
Yes, we got a pretty good dose of that mind-ripping TV show, The Brady Bunch. Quick, Budgie, punch up the Elephant Man's crime file. See what other crimes he vowed to do, now that he has Jumbo.
He wants to rid the world of all mice, but he used Lada to destroy all magazines, especially Crime Fighter Monthly.
No!
I just bought a lifetime subscription to that.
Now, Budgie, which one of these is located in Jumbo City?
Well, Bat Dude, there are no Lada dealerships in Jumbo City, and the one with the mice, the Dude computer can't handle that. But there is a magazine publishing company on 2854 Snout Street.
Yes, and doesn't that have a rail link out of Jumbo City? To the Doomobile!
Soon, my faithful pachyderm, we will return in triumph to Pakistan with Jumbo the elephant by our side.
Great, then we can commit some real crimes.
Oh, you!
Stop right there, Elephant Man!
Dude, Budgie, you dimwitted duel! How did you escape my Doom of Doom?
I used one of my anti-TV disruptor pills.
Well, might be good for that, but it won't be good for this guy. My pachyderm will make squish, guggy, messy little smudges on the floor of you. Go get them, pachyderm. Get, come on, come on. Ah! You play fair, fair.
Over me.
That bad dude. Why don't you teach me that one?
That was my bat pitch. I'll teach you sometime, but you never seem to learn.
You fool! You should have hit me in the head or something, or else where I was weak.
Anybody got any peanuts?
If I could get up, I would get you back to it, you nigger. Okay. Get up, elephant man.
Your crime-fighting days are over.
Okay.
Take him out, Budgie.
So once again, the cool duel saved Jumbo City from the greasy grip of evil and nastiness, and the mighty statue is returned to its rightful place as a symbol to all free people of all nationalities around the world that goodness and niceness will always prevail.
Life is so much easier knowing that the cool duel are on the job.